Hello guys and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you 5 most used free video editing software without watermarks. So the first one is VSDC. This is the link of the website and you can download it for free. You can use this software to edit your videos. You can also use it to edit 3D videos including 180 degree or 360 videos as well. So the second one is called OpenShot Video Editor. This software is free as well, but it can be used on Windows, Mac and Linux as well. So this software provides a good video editing experience including 3D animations and tiles and other things like that, and it also has no watermark on your edited video. And the next one is from Microsoft Movie Maker. It is a free video editor software. You can use it for free from Microsoft. This is one of the most simplest and easy to use video editor software. So the next one is Blender. This is a free software used for 3D modeling, rendering, animations and VFX effects and other things like that. It's a powerful software. You can use it for free as well if you are into 3D modeling and that kind of stuff. So the last one is for our Mac users, which is iMovie. This is a super software for Apple users. You can use it to edit and do basic stuff. So that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.